Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Comparison between star and delta connection. We mostly use the terms star and delta in electrical system while discussing three-phase AC circuits and electric motors. Below is a given table which compares both star and delta connection, which shows the exact difference between star and delta connections. Star connection. Star connection is obtained by joining together similar ends of coil, either starting or finishing. The other ends are joined to the line wires. The common point is called the neutral or star point. This three-phase 4-wires system is used in power distribution transformers and small-scale domestic and residential applications. Delta connection. Delta connection is obtained by connecting the starting end of the first coil to the finishing end of the second coil and so on, for all three coils, which forms like a closed loop or mesh circuit. This three-phase wires system is used in power transmission transformers and large-scale industrial and commercial applications. In both systems, the voltage between two-phase, line to line, is known as line voltage, while the voltage between phase to neutral, line to neutral, is known as phase voltage. The voltage between any line or phase and neutral is single phase, while voltage between all three lines or phase is known as three-phase voltage. Keep in mind that the power in both systems are always equal and same, as it is the gain of different levels of voltages and currents only used in different systems based on the requirement. Summarize the differences and comparison between star and delta connection. In star connection, the starting, finishing or ends, similar ends of three coils are connected together to form the neutral point in the shape of letter Y. A common wire is taken out from the neutral point, which is known as the neutral wire. Delta connection, the opposite ends of three coils are connected together, which forms the shape of Greek alphabet, delta. In other words, the end of each coil connected with the starting point of another coil, and the common joints form the three-phase wires. There are four conductors in the star connection, three-phase wires, one neutral wire. There are three conductors in the delta connection, three-phase wires. Example, all are phases. Three-phase 4-wire system is derived from star connection, three-phase 4-wires system. Three-phase 3-wire system is also possible in the star connection, as neutral is optional if not needed. Three-phase 3-wire system is derived from delta connection, three-phase 3-wires system. Example, three-phase 4-wires system is not possible in delta connection due to the absence of the neutral wire. The speed of star-connected motors are slower as they receive I/3 voltage. The speed of delta-connected motors are high because each phase gets the total of line voltage. In star connection, smooth starting and operation with nominal power and normal operation without overheating can be achieved. In delta connection, motor receives the highest power output. In star connection, the phase voltage is low as current/3 of the line voltage. Therefore, it needs a low number of turns, hence saving in copper. In delta connection, the phase voltage is equal to the line voltage, hence it needs more turns, which increase the total cost. Low insulation required as phase voltage is low as compared to delta. More insulation is required as phase voltage is equal to line voltage. Star connection is preferred for long-distance transmission and distribution as it requires low insulation and has a neutral which helps to balance the circuit. Delta connection is preferred for shorter distance transmission and distribution as it requires more insulation and has the problems of unbalanced currents. Two different voltage level can be achieved by using star connection, example single phase and three-phase supply. Three-phase and phase neutral. Only a single magnitude of voltage can be achieved by using the delta connection, example three-phase supply across three-phase conductors. Star connection is preferable used in the domestic and residential applications for single-phase supply. Line or phase neutral is equal to 230 volt AC, IEC. And three-phase supply, three phases is equal to 400 volt AC, IEC. Delta connection is generally used in the industrial and commercial applications for three-phase supply. Three-phase is equal to 400 volt AC, IEC. This rule is not applicable in the US, NEC, as they offer different levels of voltages based on the system requirement. Star connection is commonly used for appliances which needs less amount of starting current, example small load applications. More insulation is required as phase voltage is equal to line voltage. Connection is generally used for high starting torque applications. Example large electric motors in the industrial, etc. Star connection is a common and general system which is used for both single-phase and three-phase power transmission and distribution. Delta connection, a typical system commonly used in the distribution network and system and industries. Star. In star connection, the starting, finishing or ends, similar ends of three coils are connected together to form the neutral point in the shape of letter Y. A common wire is taken out from the neutral point which is known as the neutral wire. Delta. Delta connection, the opposite ends of three coils are connected together which forms the shape of Greek alphabet, delta. In other words, the end of each coil connected with the starting point of another coil, and the common joints form the three-phase is wires.